How to crop video on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can crop video on Android. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to crop video on Android, you need to follow the steps and you can easily do it. So first thing is you can use the built-in feature if you have in your video watcher or editor in your device. Otherwise, the next thing you can do is go ahead and download the CapCut app. It is one of the most easiest method you can apply up if you want to crop a video on Android. So it is a free application. You can just go ahead and use your available app store if you want to download it. Once that is done, just go ahead and open it up. And once it opens up, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on this new project and then select up the video that you may want to edit. After you have selected the video that you want to crop out, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the video, and on the bottom you'll be finding different editing options. Look for this option called transform, and when you do that, you should be finding an option called resize. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that is done, it gives you an option that lets you crop out the video. One of them is free size. Otherwise, we have different ratio available. You can use this option in order to crop out your video. For example, 9:16, and tap on right, and there you go. That is your cropped out video. So all you need to do is download it on your device after that. So that is how you basically crop video on Android very easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.